the square on the onside, just nudging the ball around the corner. Well, now we appear to have another substitute man coming on the field to talk to the umpire. That's Javed Miandad, who runs on to talk to umpire Dickie Bird. Now, the discussion is there. Whatever it is, you can be certain that Dickie Bird will sort it out. But there's quite a conference going on. Javed Miandad, who has no official part to play in this match. A lot of shrugging of shoulders. I think I'll ask Wasim Bari what he makes of this one.
I really can't make out what's all about. Probably it has to do something about the 12th man we have on the field. Probably something to do with Imran's injury, or maybe they are talking about having the extra fielder out in the field.
Tawseef bowls. Good fielding by Shoaib. It's 64, 2 wickets. And the crowd have reacted to the arrival on the field of the Indian captain, Kapil. Now, Kapil is walking out. Clearly, there's some dispute about the rules. It could well apply to to Imran's disappearance.
I think it's about having the number of fielders on the onside. That's what the deliberation is about.
Yes, I noticed Tawseef bowling to 3 on the offside and 6 on the onside.
I think whatever may be the rule, Dickie Bird will clear it up very soon.
I must say they've left the commentators guessing. The only restriction in cricket is the restriction of fielders behind on the leg side. Sometimes now we have some adjudicators going out there. Asif Iqbal is someone else I recognize as a former Pakistan captain and the man who organizes. And the man who will know the local laws. It would be wonderful to be more communicative, but Venkat is out there. Now, it's almost a hall of fame out there of old players. Venkat, extreme right of your picture, the famous Indian off-spinner. If you remember the names, Venkatragavan and Bishan Bedi, Chandrasekhar. Air Commodore Salim, the Indian manager. Well, I must say, I've never commentated on an annual general meeting before. Or even a fast. Asif Iqbal explains to the Pakistan manager. Javed Miandad has now been relegated to bottle carrier, who was once chief negotiator. And Venkatragavan and Kapil Dev, captain and manager of the Indian side, unsmiling. Now that's better. Venkat's given us a smile. Retreat. Now it's time for the umpires to consult their rule book. I wish I could lip read.
I think it's quite confusing. It's very difficult to really say anything from here, but it's definite. It's about having the number of fielders on the onside. I hope they sort out very quickly so that the game can start once again. It's in a very interesting stage.
And still the debate flows on. The match organizer, Asif Iqbal, smiles, I think, rather nervously, because nothing's happening in the middle to convince us that the problem's sorted out. It's not surprising that Javed Miandad is up front with the most aggressive argument. And if I were to guess, I would say that there is a local law for this competition which restricts fielders to 5 on the onside. Tausif Ahmed bowled to 6 on the onside. And what the Pakistan team will be arguing, well, there's no problem at other times. Why in this competition?
I think...
Well struck. And that, of course, makes the point to the 5 fielders on the onside. Immediately, Vengsarkar saw a space in the outfield, because Pakistan have had to shift 1 fielder across to the off, and he hammers it towards that space. That'll be quite a chase. Runs to Vengsarkar. Went very fine to fine leg. So a couple of 4s off this over, both to the leg side. Again, high into the outfield. They take 1, they take 2. So now I hope all your viewers can clearly see what the dispute was about. 1 fielder had been removed.